All of the tools on Direct 9001 give you the ability to improve the quality of your business, but it's the responsibility of your staff to make sure your quality management tasks are performed properly. While regular internal audits will help monitor their performance, it's important that the senior management review a wider range of business activities to look for improvements. You should conduct a management review meeting at least once a year, preferably every 6 months, to analyse your performance and make improvements. Only managers need to attend this meeting, and you can hold multiple meetings to complete the review. If you're attempting ISO 9001 certification, Clause 5.6 states you must regularly review the management of all your quality systems. You need at least one completed management review before you can pass ISO 9001 certification. There are a number of things a management review must cover. All of them should be reviewed with quality in mind. Discuss how your current setup handles each of these subjects and find ways you can improve their quality. You can create a new action record for each section in order to make changes and track their progress. Work prospects. What future work is there for the company, and what resources are in place to handle it? Contracts and orders. How has your business performed? Are there any issues that have affected sales? What could you do to improve the current levels? Design and engineering. Are there any issues with design or engineering work? What can you do to prevent issues in the future? If this is not applicable to your business, you can ignore it. Commercial matters. How are you performing commercially? What are the outstanding invoice payments? Did the company make a profit on all the orders it processed? Resource planning, including HR, equipment, and IT. Does the company have the resources in people, tools, and building space to allow it to meet future workload? Training and competence. Any issues with staff training and competence? Any new equipment staff will need training on? Complaints. Have you received any major complaints? How well were they dealt with? Customer satisfaction. Are your customers generally happy with your products or services? Are there any trends? Health and safety. Have there been any accidents or near misses that need addressing? What preventative measures did you take? Legal and other applicable requirements. What regulations apply to your business? Have there been any changes? How did you handle them? Annual improvement goals. What are your goals for improvement? Compare them to your goals from the previous management review. You can add up to 4 sets of goals. To create a new management review record, go to the Management Review section in the Management Processes menu and click the Add a New Management Review button. Set the date of your meeting. If you plan to hold multiple meets, this should be the date of the first meeting. Enter who was present at the meeting and who did not attend. Record any matters arising from a previous management review meeting. Click the Continue button and we'll save your record. You'll now see each subject you need to review. You can hover over the eye icons in each section for an explanation. Discuss these points in your meetings and include any issues that have arisen since your last review. Outline any changes you think should be implemented. If you need to take action to resolve any issues or make improvements, then set the Action Needed switch to Yes. This will allow you to create a new action record where you can assign the task to a staff member and track its progress. Click Save to Cloud and we'll save your action record, updating your management review too. Discuss annual improvement goals and enter them in the fields. You can have up to 4 sets and create action records to implement them too. Agree on a date for your next management review meeting, preferably every 6 to 12 months. You can use the buttons to create this automatically. We'll email you when your next meeting is due. Click Save to Cloud and we'll save your record. You can view all your management review records in the Management Review section of the Management Processes menu. Search all the columns at once with the top search box. Or you can filter each column with the boxes at the bottom of each column.